This is the 1989 Avanti that I got at the Mecum Auction in Dallas this fall, 2016. I got a little shocker after I purchased it and discovered that it only has a little over 13,000 miles. The engine looks brand new, and a lot of the things wrong with the car just seem to be little goofy stuff that I can fix myself. The first thing I'm going to tackle is this convertible top. If you look closely, the convertible top does not have any rips or holes or anything. It's just faded and dirty and just generally looks terrible. So I'm going to attempt to clean it up. I'm going to start by cleaning with this convertible top cleaner. It says to rinse thoroughly just to get the debris off, and then lightly scrub it with a brush to get the deep down debris. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, I have put water on it to rinse it. The car has a few problems, like this window won't close. I'm gonna have to work around that. So I'm gonna start with this stuff and scrubbing. At this point, I have thoroughly cleaned the top. This is what it looks like wet. I'm gonna let it sun dry, and then I'm going to put that convertible top treatment that I bought on it, and we'll see how that works. Looks pretty good wet though. I cleaned it once, and this is what it looks like. I can see little streaks in it from like my scrub brush. So I'm thinking it can come quite a bit cleaner. I'm going to try cleaning it some more and again. For the first round of cleaning, I used that formal rag top cleaner that's marketed for convertible tops. But for the second round of cleaning, I'm just going to use Fantastic and see if that works better. It is a vinyl top. This is what the top looks like after the second washing. Still a little wet. The sun went away, so I'm not sure how long it's going to take to dry, and I'm not sure if it's going to rain, but I'm going to let it sit for a little while, and then we'll see what it looks like. So after a lot of cleaning, this is what the convertible top looks like. It's actually a lot cleaner. It's most of the oxidation seems to be gone. Of course, it didn't help the rear window at all, but overall, just cleaning with regular cleaners did a lot. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my Miracle convertible top restoring stuff that I bought. This is the convertible top restoring product that I bought. Essentially, you just spray it on after you've cleaned thoroughly and the top is dry, and you let it sit for a bit, and then you wipe it off. So I did that, and I did it on half of the top, so you can see what it looks like. I wish it was sunnier out, because maybe this demo would be more dramatic. But on close-up, the top pretty much looks brand new. I'm gonna have to like touch this area up, you know, with some sort of vinyl paint or something, but I'm very pleased with how the top looks. Yeah, I mean, it just looks spectacular. Let's go to the other side and see if we can see any difference, since I haven't treated that side yet. Okay, so here's the other side. If I get close up, you can definitely see oxidation. But really, the cleaning I did made a dramatic difference. I'm going to go ahead and treat this side now. Sure is windy. Half the stuff is blown away. I have finished cleaning the convertible top on the 89 Avanti. I really can't stress how amazed I am at the condition of this top. When the car was first delivered, the top was all oxidized, dirty, and terrible, and although it wasn't ripped or anything, I wasn't sure it would ever be cosmetically acceptable. But after cleaning and treating it with that top restoration product, with the exception of this rib, the top looks brand new. Now I just wonder if mechanically it goes up and down. I haven't tested it yet.